Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to automate shipping, labels, and order fulfillment, ShipStation is a great tool. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to connect Squarespace to ShipStation in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way and look for ShipStation, hit enter. Okay, so basically here, ShipStation. All you're gonna do now is basically start a free trial, just log in using your email address and password. Sign in basically to your account. Then open the selling channels. Navigate to settings, look for selling channels, then store setup. Select Squarespace, choose Squarespace from the list of platforms, then log in to the Squarespace. Authorize ShipStation to access your Squarespace store. So, after being fully done from this, you will be having your website here. Configure the import settings by choosing how orders, shipping methods, and basically status sync. Then sync your orders. Click Refresh Store to import existing orders. Then create a test label by generating a shipping label to confirm everything fully works. So you can basically even check this. We have selling here. We have enabled basically a lot of options, local delivery. We also have the dev tools, website import, and the metadata importing, import image file, and all of this. We have third-party tools. We have orders auto export, automatically export your orders data to third-party services. You can use this one as well. And that's the main idea. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.